Hello everyone. Today I'm doing a quick review to a sharp calculator. Alright, let's open the box and see what we get inside. We have 640 functions. So in the box we have a sharp calculator, a user manual, and that's it, simple and clean. Okay, so first impression. The calculator feels light, solid, and easy to hold. So we have a reset button here in the back. The buttons are clear, well spaced, and perfect for fast calculations. The screen is easy to read, even in low light. We have all the essential buttons. On C clears everything, but BS clears only the last step. So we have a mode button. You can use stat, table, complex, and many other modes. You can also use the alphabetic. Tap on the button of alpha. Tap alpha, then like this. We have a 2NDF button. 2NDF then it gives you a scene minus 1. And if you want to turn off your calculator, tap 2NDF then 1C. This calculator is perfect for students, especially for school and exams. Simple, fast, and reliable. In future videos, I will make tutorials on how to use this calculator. Thank you.